Good morning, students. Welcome to management lecture. Okay, in the last class, we discussed about the price elasticities and all these things. In this today's session, we'll be dealing with the various types of price elasticities. Okay, so as well we discussed in the previous class, the price elasticity it is represented by EP, change in quantity demanded by quantity demanded divided by change in price to the price. Okay, there are five types of elasticity of price elasticity of demand. The first one is perfectly elastic demand. Okay, what it says the when small change in price leads to infinite change in the quantity demanded. Okay, so in this, the demand curve is the horizontal straight line. Okay, where in this case the EP equals to infinity. Okay, the small change in the price will leads to infinite change in the quantity demanded. Okay, so second one is perfectly inelastic demand. Okay, so even the large change in the price, okay, even the large change in the price fails to bring about a change in the quantity demanded. Okay, even though the price has been changed, okay, but the quantity demanded won't differed. Okay, the change in price will not affect the quantity demanded. Okay, the quantity remains the same whatever the changes in the price. Okay, which all be called is the basic needs of the human beings. Okay, and day-to-day requirements, for example the milk. Okay, so whatever the price is there, but the people will start to buy this, okay, this product. The demand for the product is there continuously. Okay, so demand here, the curve is the demand curve is the vertical lines for even the change in the price, various prices. Okay, so demand is going to be same, okay, at different prices also. Okay, so next is a relatively elastic demand. Okay, the small change in price will leads to very big change in the quantity demanded. Okay, so demand curve is very flatter. Okay, like this. Okay, so where the price elasticity equals to or greater than 1, okay, it will be called as a greater than 1. Okay. So next is relatively inelastic demand. The quantity demanded changes less than proportionate to the changes in the price. Okay, the large changes in the price will leads to small changes in the demand. Okay, for example, the mobile price and all these things. Okay, so demand curve is steeper, and here the EP is it is equals to or smaller than 1. Okay, you can understand over here. So next one is unit elasticity of demand. Okay, so what it says, the change in demand is exactly equal to the changes in the price. Okay, if both are going simultaneously one another. Okay, so change in demand is exactly same as of the change in the price. Okay, there should not be no variations. Okay, so here the both are equal. That's why the EP is taken to be equals to 1. Okay, so here the elasticity is said to be unitary, or unitary means 1. Okay, so next we'll be focusing on the next kind of Income elasticity, second type of elasticity of demand is income. Earlier we discussed about the price. Okay, price elasticity. Okay, now we are discussing about the income. Okay, so what it says by definitions. Okay, change in change in quantity demanded, okay, as a result of change in the consumer's income. Okay, as the consumer's income increases, there is a quantity demanded also changes. Okay, by it is represented by ey. Okay, ey equals to ey equals to, okay, in the numerator we are having the proportionate change in the quantity demanded. Okay, quantity demanded, that is nothing but a q. Okay, next here in the denominator, proportionate change in the income. Okay, proportionate change in the income, so that is divided by, okay, I. In the price elasticity, okay, in the price elasticity, it is that is in ep. Okay, so equals to q by price. Okay, over here, okay, in ey it is q by I. Okay, so overall it is the thing with the quantity with price on this side or income on this side and quantity on this side, x-axis. Okay, quantity on x-axis and income on or price on the y-axis. So next we will be studying about the three types of income elasticity of demand. Okay, what are those? We'll see this. We are having zero income elasticity, negative income elasticity. Next is positive income elasticity. Okay, what is zero income elasticity? So here the quantity demanded. So very first one is zero income elasticity. So here the quantity demanded remains the same, even though money income increases. Okay, the quantity remains the same, even the money income increases. Okay, so that changes in the income, changes in income does not doesn't influence on the quantity demanded. For example, the products like salt, sugar. Okay, so this won't changes. So here the ey is zero. Okay, getting these things. So next one is negative income elasticity. So negative income elasticity, it means that the when the income increases, okay, the quantity demanded falls. Okay, that is called as negative income elasticity. Here ey is the equal to or less than the zero. Okay, less than zero, equal or less than zero. Okay, so next is positive income elasticity. In this case, increase in income, okay, increase in income may lead to an increase in the quantity demanded. Okay, when income increases, so demand also rises. So here ey is greater than 0 or equals to greater than 0. Again in this it is further classified into three types. Okay, again it is been classified as three types. Okay, so one is unit income elasticity. So demand changes in the same proportionate to changes in the income. ey is equals to 1. Okay, unit. Okay, if it is there in the unit, okay, so it remains both changes in demand remains the same with the changes in the income. Okay, so next, income elasticity is greater than 1, greater than unity. Okay, in the previous, okay, so earlier we discussed one thing, immediate income elasticity. So here demand changes in the income is same in the proportional to change in the incomes. So next we'll discuss second type. So income elasticity is greater than unity. Okay, an increase in the income brings about a more than proportionate increase in the quantity demanded. So increase in income brings about a more than proportionate increases in the quantity demanded. Okay, here it is the ey is greater than 1 equals to greater than 1. So next is income elasticity is less than unity. So when income increases, the quantity demanded is also increases, but less than proportionately. Okay, so both increases, but very proportional will be proportional to each other less. Okay, so here it is ey is equals to or lesser than 1. Okay, so next we'll be studying about the importance of elasticity. So what is this important of elasticity? So important of elasticity will decides about the production factors. Okay, when to produce, what to produce, how to produce. All these things plays a major role because of the demand requirement and supply requirement. Okay, so that production can be understood what to produce, what is important to the market conditions and all these things. Okay. So next, it will be helping for the price fixations. Very important. Okay. So this will help to what amount of price has to be fixed for the given product. Okay. Whether we need to increase the price of the product or decrease the price of the product, it will be depends on the amount of quantity demanded, amount of quantity supplied. Okay, so all these things will have a major importance, all these things. Okay, the usage of technologies, so all these factors will leads to the price distributions. Okay, so price fixation also. Okay, so next is distribution also. It will based on the law of supply concept or the elasticity concept, okay, we'll understood where it is need to be distributed, okay, okay, how to distribute, in what rate we have to distribute. All these things can be very well analyzed with the help of the elasticity processes. Okay, so next one, it will be helping for the international trade. Okay, so international trade, we can supply outside the countries, we can trade between the different countries, among the different countries. Okay, so that will help to understand the importance of elasticity, will help to realize the whether we need to go for the trading of the our goods or the services. Okay, so next, public finance. Okay, the government will help to the public finance is going to be increased. Okay, so increment or decrement of the public finance can be understood by the elasticity. The government can fix taxation on the particular products as per their demand elasticity, okay, or price elasticity. Okay. So nationalization will help to government to make the policies on regarding to the taxations. Okay. So national growth will be increases. It will help to produce for the industrializations. Okay. It will leads to the growth of industrializations. What kind of a product we need to manufacture, and what is the demand elasticity and all these things. Okay. So next is price discriminations. We can make the changes in the price values, okay, as per the demand, as per the quantity demanded. Okay. So all these things we are the some of the benefits or the importance of the price elasticities. Okay. Hope you understood this concept.